The CDC has recommended that all Americans wear masks and gloves when going outside and encountering other people. Hi, I'm Dr. Pradeep Kumar from Austin, Texas, on drkumar.com. Now I'm going to explain to you the proper technique of putting on and taking off your mask and gloves. First step, wash your hands. If you've got a little sanitizer, put a little sanitizer in the middle. And as you rub your hands, don't forget to get those webs. Don't forget to get the thumbs on either side and the nails on either side, including the thumbs. Your hands are washed and you're ready to go. Step 2, putting on your mask. If you have a mask like these with rings on the side, you can use those. Some of them just have strings. And if you don't have a mask, you can just wear a bandana, or you can find many ways to make a mask yourself at home, and they're all will work pretty well. So if you have a mask, you understand one of these masks, you find that the metal rim is at the top, and this is the top part of the mask that fits over your nose. You want to put the rings over your ears, fit the mask snugly over your nose, pinch it so it's firm and it doesn't let any droplets in, and be sure to put the bottom over your chin and jaws. Now your mask is on. Step 3, putting on your gloves. When you put on your gloves, you're at home. It's generally safe. You're just going to pull your gloves out of your box and put them on. You remember, you've already washed your hands, so this should be all just straightforward. Your gloves are on. You're ready to go. All right, now you've been out. Now you're back and you're ready. You put your groceries away. You're ready to take off your mask and gloves. Step 1, take off your gloves. Since you've been out, you want to act like there might be virus particles on your mask and your gloves, and you have to take these things off in such a manner. So first, taking off your gloves, you want to pinch your glove here, right by the palm, and you want to turn it inside out, and you're just going to grab it with your other glove, and you have a little Houdini fist right there. And then now you put your index finger at the base of this glove and you turn it inside out. And now you have a very safe way to handle that glove and dispose of it in your trash can. Close the lid. And now your gloves are off. Now it's time to take off your mask. If you have a little sanitizer, just give those hands a quick wash once again. You're going to take your mask off without touching the front. That's where the viral particles might be. Take them off on the side. And these go back in the trash can, close the top, and now you're ready to go. Put away your groceries and you're safe.